Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So coming back to the topic that is planning system in AI. So previously we have discussed so many components and basic role of planning system in AI. Now we'll discuss some advantages as well as disadvantages. So AI planning system have so many benefits, but they also come with some challenges. All those points we will discuss in detail. So at first we have advantages. So the first point here is it improves efficiency and automation. So students, AI planning automates decision making. We have already discussed that planning system always helps a system to make decisions very quickly and in a better way, right? So AI planning automation automate decision making and it reduces human efforts. Also, it helps optimize the tasks, saving times and resources. By using automation in planning system, we can save our time, we can save our resources as well. Some examples include automated scheduling in airlines reduces manual work. This is done with the help of planning system. Another advantage is it handles complex problems. So AI planning can break down complex problems. We have already discussed this point. Like I have a bigger problem. AI planning system can break these problems in small parts, right, into manageable steps, we can say. It is basically useful in robotics, logistics, and game AI. For example, we have self-driving cars. So self-driving cars uses planning to navigate safely. Another example is optimized resource management. So students, AI planning ensures better allocation of time. It ensures better management of, or we can say better allocation of time, materials, and labor. For example, warehouse robots use AI planning to pick and sort items efficiently. Another advantage is its adaptability to dynamic environments. So many AI planning models we have, like probabilistic planning model. We have probabilistic planning model that are just based on real time data. For example, AI in healthcare suggests treatment plans based on patients' progress. That is the adaptability of dynamic environment. Here, dynamic environment is what? The patient's progress. We have so many patients in our hospital. Every patient is different, right? Every patient's condition is always different. So it is the ability of planning system to make decisions or to suggest a treatment based on the dynamic environment. That means based on the condition of any patient. Next advantage we have is it reduces the errors. So AI planning eliminate human errors in scheduling and execution. We have so many platforms, we have so many areas where on the daily basis we humans do errors. Like for example, in case of flight scheduling in any airlines, so many times you may see humans are doing such some silly mistakes in scheduling the flights, right? But if we if we are using planning system in AI devices, then it always reduces errors. Clear? For example, AI driven manufacturing robots work with precision and minimizing the mistakes. Next advantage is it enables long-term decision making. So long-term decision making example can be your financial system optimize investment strategies over years. This is done with the help of planning system for long-term decision making. All clear? Next advantage we have is reduced human efforts and errors. So AI reduces human interventions, lowering the chances of mistakes in planning and execution. For example, AI powered robots in manufacturing plants can plan and execute assembly process with minimal errors. Right? This is the reduced human efforts and errors. Next, we have a scalability. So students, AI planning system can be scaled up to handle large scale problems across different domains. Different domains means different areas like in hospital management, in school management, in healthcare, in your finance department. This is what this is different. These are different domains. So AI planning systems can be scaled up to handle large scale problems across different domains. For example, AI based logistics for supply chain management in multinational companies. So all these are the advantages of using planning system in AI. Now let's move to the disadvantages part. So the first disadvantage we have is computational complexity. So AI planning requires high computational power, especially for large problems with many variables. If we have a large real life problem and that problem contains so many variables, then definitely AI planning system needs high computational power to solve those problems. For example, a robot planning a complex rescue mission in an unknown environment may require massive processing power. Clear? I hope students everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can surely comment below. Next disadvantage is difficulty in handling the uncertainty. So in AI systems, we have so many conditions where uncertainty occurs. So if we are using planning system, sometimes it is very difficult for a system to handle uncertainty. For example, a warehouse robot might plan to pick an item, but if the item is misplaced, it may fail without an adaptable plan. This is what? This is the condition where it becomes difficult for a robot to handle uncertain condition. If I'm saying, if I'm driving a automated car and I want to take a left, but at that particular time, the left turn is blocked because of some reasons. So ये uncertain condition आ गई. AI systems, planning systems are not capable of handling such uncertain conditions, right? So traditional planning systems struggle in unpredictable environments where actions have uncertain outcomes. The next disadvantage is high implementation cost. Obviously, every time whenever we talk about the disadvantage of any AI system, it always says the high implementation cost is the major problem, right? So developing and maintaining AI planning systems can be expensive due to the need for advanced hardware and software. For example, autonomous robots, that means automatic working robots with AI planning require costly sensors and computing powers. Next we have is incomplete or incorrect data issues. So many times we don't have a complete or proper information about some particular information, right? We don't have uh, proper guidance. So at that particular point, हमारा जो AI सिस्टम है वो एक गलत सजेशन हमें दे सकता है. For example, a hospital AI planning system scheduling doctors incorrectly due to outdated patient records. AI planning relies on accurate data, and missing or incorrect data can lead to poor decision making. Is that clear, everyone? Next disadvantage we have is ethical and security concerns. So AI controlled drones we are using these days, right? So AI controlled drones making autonomous decisions in warfare could have serious ethical implications. AI planning in military or surveillance applications raises ethical concerns. This is a real issue, right? Another disadvantage is lack of human like creativity. Obviously, AI planning systems follow predefined rules and struggle with tasks requiring creativity and intuitions, right? For example, AI can plan a chess move optimally, but it cannot invent a new chess strategy like a human grandmasters can do. So, all these are the advantages as well as disadvantages of using planning systems in AI. So, let's conclude the session. So, students, AI planning systems offer significant benefits in automation, efficiency, and scalability, but they also come with challenges like computational complexity, high costs, ethical concerns, and all. The choice of using AI planning depends on the specific application and the trade offs involved. So, I hope everything is clear to you. Every point we have discussed in detail in this session. If you like the session, you can surely share your feedback in the comment part. So, thank you so much, everyone, and all the very best for your examinations.